Experts say that there are signs that the COVID pandemic could slowly become endemic, with several countries adopting guidelines for the same. But protests against COVID mandates are escalating in countries across the world, forcing governments to rethink their pandemic strategy. Let's quickly get an update of COVID protests. More than 2,000 people took to the streets of Paris to protest France's vaccine pass. The new vaccine pass took effect last week, which makes getting a jab mandatory. It replaced a health pass that allowed people to have access to public facilities with a recent negative test or history of a past infection. Protesters held up placards reading freedom and waved flags of various countries, notably Canada, where a movement of truck drivers opposing health measures is underway. Other small protests took place simultaneously in the French capital of Paris. A massive 10,000 people gathered on the streets of the Austrian capital Vienna to protest against the government's COVID measures and compulsory vaccinations from February 1st. Protesters carried large banners making their displeasure known against vaccine companies. The demonstration comes amid the government's decision to ease COVID relations ahead of the mandatory vaccination. Austria was among the first countries to introduce a vaccine mandate in the European Union. Thousands of truck drivers from Argentina were stuck at the Chilean border due to slow COVID-19 testing. The long wait has put both drivers and some of the trucks to the test, as trucks with refrigerators must stay running at all times to keep the cargoes at cold temperatures. A similar problem was seen at Chile's border along the northern mountain pass, where drivers from Bolivia had to face long waits in line for COVID-19 testing. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.